So welcome back, guys. This is the continuation from the last video on how to create Amazon KDP account. Then the issue with the incomplete is because we just created an account. We've not added our personal details. In fact, we have not added our bank accounts. We have to add it to our KDP account so as to be able to receive money. Then there is this issue of taxation. Upon, let's say, this month you make money on Amazon KDP, maybe like 70% on Amazon KDP as your royalty. Amazon will deduct 30% again as tax. But because Nigeria, as a Nigerian, we don't have treaty with the United States. I think the only African country that has treaty with United States, tax treaty with United States, is South Africa. So we'll move on now and you see how we do it. It's not something that is difficult. So we go here. Let me maximize the screen. We press update now. We press update now and wait for it to load. In the future, if you don't find this update now, you can go to my account here, your account. Can you see it? Your account here. So if you are doing yours and you don't see updates now, just go to your account and log in, then you find it. So here we are. Firstly, we have to complete our profile. My profile, we have to do three things: my profile, getting paid, and tax information. So you go there. Then for the business type, you go on individual, date of birth, I'm going to pause this. So country or region, that will be Nigeria. Legal name, address. I'm going to fill all this while I pause the video. So I've filled the information. So now we are going to getting paid. We're going to click on add a bank account. Where is your bank? Yes, you have to be very careful here. Like I told you when we were creating the grey.co account, that we will be making use of euro. So if it's euro or pound sterling, then your bank is in the United Kingdom. Please take note. If it's euro or pound sterling, then your bank will be in the United Kingdom. But if it is dollars, your bank will be in the United States. So we are going to choose United Kingdom. I'm going to pause all this. For the account type, I'm going to pause all these things, but firstly, you have to take note that for the account type, it's checking, leave it at checking. Then account holder name, that's your real name. Then IBAN number, you go back to your grey.co.app and check for your IBAN number, BIC code. That's all. Then you had. But I'm going to pause this now. So what I did was I've added the getting paid. After entering my details, the IBAN number, the BIC code, also known as Swift code, then I clicked on add. So I've added the details there. So I'm going to proceed to tax information. So for this tax information, we are going to go on to complete tax information. Click on complete tax information, save and continue. It's loading. Wait for it to load, just a little more. So now select language. Language is English. Please don't change that. About you. The about you is individual business. Individual business. Just leave it at individual, please. Are you a US citizen? No. Are you a US citizen, US permanent or other US? No. Just put it at no. Are you acting as an intermediary or agent to receiving payment? Put at no. Then your full name will be there already. Country of citizenship, obviously Nigerian. Nigeria. Mailing address and so on. So now what we are going to do now is, so this permanent address is where the work is actually. Like I said, Nigeria doesn't have a tax treaty with the United States. The only African country that has tax treaty with United States is South African country. South Africa, I mean. So we are going to get an address of South Africa now, and we are going to do some editing. So you go on to edit, permanent address. Permanent address, we change it to South Africa. We change all other details. It must be real address in South Africa. Street number. So what will happen now is that we are going to leave this place. We are going to go to Google. We are going to go to Google, then South Africa, South African address and postal code. Let's click on it. It's a little bit slow. The network is a little bit slow, but we have to wait till it's load. Pause. So these are list of South African addresses. Just type South African addresses on Google to bring them. So I'm going to use one of these. So I've already filled it. So now you are going to leave this one as same as permanent address. Don't untick, please. Just click on done. Done, yes. You click on done. Then here, leave it as I have a non-US thing, please. It's very important. Leave it as I have a non-US thing because you are not a non-US citizen. So for this thing value, a TIN value here, look for your NIN, national identity, your NIN number. This is where you put it. So I'm going to add mine now. So after I entered my NIN number, I clicked on continue. So now look at what it's telling us. Claim of tax treaty benefit. This is South Africa. This is actually very legal because it's even illegal that if there's a way you can reduce taxation, take it. So that's why we used South Africa as permanent address. So it's telling us this the selected country qualifies for tax treaty benefit. Just press just press confirm. You are eligible. See, you are eligible for treaty benefits. Blah 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 blah. Sign and submit. So now you take this. I certified that I have capacity to blah blah blah. Then your full name here. The way it appeared as legal name. Please, very important. The way it appeared as legal name. So save and preview. So this is it. Leave the language here as it is. Scroll down. All these things are actually too much dogs. Submit form. You have to click on submit form, please. Then see, your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Applicable withholding rate is 0.0%. Normally before this one will be 30%, but that means you won't have to pay any tax again. So you exit interview. You exit interview. Then you save. Saving success. Then you go back. Go back to the main page at Kindle Publishing. Then you sign in. Yes, you notice it's not saying it's not showing updates again. Your account is now fully set up, so it remains for you to start publishing books. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.